In this tutorial, I'm very excited to show you something. Using Excel, you can send messages to your WhatsApp contacts. So first, before we see how, let me show you the end result. Just come here and click send to WhatsApp. So now if you see that this message has already come. Whatever we had written in the Excel file, all the messages to all the numbers have been sent. Okay. This is the second contact. So I'm just showing you. I don't want to show the contact details to you. That is why I am showing only this part of the screen. But you can see whatever we had typed has already been sent to this WhatsApp contact. Okay. That just ensure in your VBA these are also enabled. Okay. So come to tools, click on references, and just ensure that these 5 things are also ticked. Okay, if you are using Internet Explorer, then you have to use Microsoft Internet Controls also. Okay. And now let's come back to the Excel and see what is happening in the Excel and in the code. Okay. So here, if you see, you write the name of the person and you have to type the text. For example, let us say you have to pay us the pending amount, whatever. Okay. And here I will write, say, Voda, and I will write, okay, you have to take money from us. Okay. Then I will give a hash. And I have used the concatenation so that it looks like this. Okay. So basically it is showing like, hi Voda, okay, you have to take money from us, and the money that you have to take is, say, 13,500. Okay, 13,500. So it is showing that here. Let me show you. Okay Voda, hi Voda, okay, you have to take money from us, 13,500. Okay. Now the actual phone numbers are given here, which I didn't show. I get calls once I show the actual numbers, so I'm not showing that. But I still wanted to show the format, so I have written the fake phone numbers like this. Okay, and this is their due date. Suppose if you also want to mention the due date, you can write that here in Excel. Okay, I'm sure if you are an expert, you can do it very easily. Now let's say if I also want just to ask someone that how are you, so I will ask Chandresh, how are you? Of course, there is nothing to do with money, so we'll just delete it. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So suppose let's say I have to send to these 3 people, right? Now, how will Excel know that there are only 3 contacts whom I have to send these things? So what I have done, I have written one simple formula, count A1 to A30. Okay, so it will say if the names are there, then it will only count in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the loop will go on for 4 times. Now let's see in the VBA code what I mean by that. Now this is the VBA code. Okay, so the VBA code says that I have simply declared my text as string. Okay, this my text is basically the text that will be sent, which I have written. And for I equals 2 to range of Z1, so this value was 4. Okay, so from 2 to 4, that means 2, 3, 4. That means it will send 3 times. Okay, sheet 1 range CI, which means C2 value. Okay, let me show you. So this value C2, okay, hi Ramesh, you have to pay us the pending 2000. This is first taken and this becomes the my text. Then we run this command, shell C program files, etc., so that we can start the Chrome application. Okay, here you have to write this, and it is picking up the phone number from range E. As I said, the E column contains the actual phone numbers, not D, but D are just shown so that you can understand the format. Okay, and text is my text. So whatever it was there in my text, that is also being appended. Okay. Now, because it takes some time for WhatsApp to open, I have given a wait of 10 seconds here. Then I have used the keys, the send keys, etc., so that everything happens automatically. Again, I have given an application wait of 5 seconds before actually sending. Okay. Once the entire loop is complete, so in this case 2, 3, 4, so 3 times when it is complete, okay, because I've used a for loop here, then it will come out and it will give us the message all sent. That's a very simple code, very easy. I will share it in the description. Okay, you are free to use it. Now let's run it one more time. I will just save it. Okay, just come here, and now we have three such things. Okay, so let's click on send WhatsApp and see what happens. And here you can see for Voda, we have got all these messages. The last message being, okay, hi Voda, okay, you have to take money from us, dash dash 13,500. So there you see that our second message has also come. Okay. I really hope you liked this video, and some of the advantages of this is you can use it to customize and send reminder messages on WhatsApp rather than mails. It is far more powerful than the broadcast feature of WhatsApp. And overall, if you liked it, if you want some additions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.